Sweeteners' effect on heart rate. The purpose of this experiment was to discover how does heart rate react to different sweeteners. I tested 5 different types of sweeteners. Splenda, which is made of sucralose, Equal, also known as aspartame, Sweet and Low, which is made up of saccharin, Truvia, also known as stevia, and sucrose, which is regular table sugar. I tested all these substances on Daphnia magna, also known as water fleas. Because their body is transparent, the heartbeat was easily visible under a microscope. It was hypothesized that sucrose will affect the heart rate the greatest and artificial sweeteners the least. For the experiment, I measured out 1 milligram of sweetener and poured this on the water flea. I then waited approximately 3 minutes before counting the amount of beats the heart took in 15 seconds. I then multiplied this number by 4 to get the BPM. The dependent variable was the heart rate. The independent variable was the type of sweetener. Control variables were the amount of water, median, and time in light. In Trial 1, the heart rates all started in the 105 to 125 beats per minute range. In the second trial, they had branched farther apart to about 95 to 140 bpm. The control group was at least consistent, while Truvia, Sweet and Low, and Sucrose all increased from trial to trial. Equal steadily decreased, and Splenda stayed consistent. The highest average was Truvia, while Sweet and Low and Sucrose were close behind. Both Equal and Splenda were below the control group average. Increases in heart rate can be caused by how quickly sugar is converted into glucose. Glucose is the energy our body needs to run on. With such a quick conversion, this means there is a lot of excess energy. This can increase heart rate, causing turbulent blood flow that may lead to tears in blood vessel walls. These tears will lead to fat buildup, causing serious heart problems. All the extra glucose will also be stored as fat, leading to obesity and a higher heart rate. Equal and Splenda may have decreased the heart rate by slowing down the absorption of glucose. With more Americans becoming obese, it is important to understand that a factor in weight gain is excess sugar. Sugar and other sweeteners will also lead to heart problems.